Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Robert and welcome to my channel. Wow, I can't believe it is almost the end of May and my last video was done 4 weeks ago. Can't believe what I was doing. Where did the time go? Okay, so today's video is actually just some preview. Probably a lot of you guys know Local King Robert Stamp is coming to Orlando for the Stampfest convention show in the end of June. If you are living in Orlando, make sure you come to visit us. This is going to be our last show, and I am actually teaching two classes, and that will be the last two classes teaching in person. So hoping you can join me. And the first class is about the markers, and anybody sign out with the marker class will get a set of 24 colors marker set for free plus one combo set. So they are going to be few of the combo sets, so you can choose. And the combo set is $24.99. The marker is I think it's the $39.99. The price went up a little bit. So basically, you are signing out the class is free because you're going to get a free boxes marker in the free combo set too, and then plus the class. I'm going to share with you a lot of coloring technique by using Local King's marker set. So that's the first class. The second class is going to be the magic mushroom class, and this is going to be the magic mushroom. Anybody who signed out the magic mushroom classes will get a set of a magic mushroom for free. Of course, come with the two acrylic block the mushroom holders, and you will also get one of the background stamps if you sign out the class. So that's an awesome deal, and that's going to be the last two classes I'm teaching in person, but I will always keep my online video coming. So if you haven't got a chance to check it out, the class, I will put the link below, and hoping you can join us. Okay, so this is going to be our last show. I mean, we are semi-retired. We are not going to do the shows anymore. So we are going to have awesome promotion. What is the promotion? I'm going to keep it. You got to find out when you come to the show floor. But for a lot of you guys, you are not living in Orlando. You say, "Wow, Lisa, why don't you come to California? Why don't you come to Chicago?" We would love to, but we are semi-retired. So what we're gonna do is the time when we are in Orlando for the Stampfest, I am going to offer the same deal. You know what? I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna have. So usually when we're doing the show, we offer like a buy three, get a one for free. So any three item, you will get the one for free. But at a show, this time because it's going to be our last show, right? We are going to offer you buy three, get the two free. So if you buy three background stamps, you're going to get a two background for free. If you are buying three combo set, you're going to get a two combo set for free. Or if you want to buy two combo set and the one background stamp, you can choose any two more items, but your freebie is always the cheaper item. Does that make sense? So if you buy like a 3 box of magic mushroom, you can have a 2 box magic mushroom for free. But who needs that many magic mushroom? Well, you never know because like I say, we are semi-retired. We are not the older any new stuffs anymore. So anything we have once it's out is out. So I'm going to offer this deal to our online customers too. So but you guys got to be give me a little bit more time because after the Orlando show we are not coming back right away. We are going to stay in Orlando one more week. So you can place your order, and I'm going to open this order this promotion only 1 week. So I will send the email out to kind of remind you guys. So make sure you start your shopping list because I think this is going to be the best promotion ever. And then a lot of our item when it's out is out, we are no longer order the new inventory anymore because we're not traveling any shows anymore, and every time when we order we have to order like a big bundle. And then so that's what's going to happen for that's what's going to happen. So if you are not coming to Orlando, but I really hope to see some of you guys at the show because it has been too long, and that's going to be your last show. That's going to be my last two classes, and I really like to hang out with some of you guys. If you are in the Orlando area, make sure you join us. If you're not, just take advantage of this great promotion. I think it is even better than the Boxing Day or Black Friday promotion, and then that's a one-time deal. Okay, so that's everything. And for my classes, I am going to share with you guys a lot of coloring with marker technique and a lot of blending technique in person. Some of my secret, and but the most important is hanging out with you guys. It has been too long. I'm missing you guys a lot. Okay, so that's the first thing about the classes. There's two classes. Basically, the classes are free because you get a lot of goodie, and plus some of the free digital file. And I've been sick for a while. I catch cold, but I don't have a COVID. But trust me, I test like 4 or 5 times. I don't have it, but I have this cold, and I'm feel better now. So once in a while, when you get sick, you realize how important the health it is. So just try to be healthy, and be happy. One more thing is about our digital file. So we had some techniques problem for our downloading link. If you guys download some free digital file, or if you order some digital file, if you are not able, you didn't get that download link, could you please if it's free, just download one more time, and that should have that link. If it's you pay for that digital file and you didn't get that download link, could you please send me an email, and I will send you the digital file through your email. You guys are so nice. Sometimes like my website is not working, nobody told me, and then I didn't know until somebody have a problem with their purchase. They contact with me, say, Lisa, something is not working, and then I that's how I found out, okay, the link is not working. So if you guys have any question, make sure you contact with me, and I will take care of it right away. Like if you didn't receive your order after like 2-3 weeks, probably your order is lost in lost in the mail, and I will send the replacement. I'm pretty good for that. Okay, so that's the first things, and I have a few other video coming soon, and the June and the July monthly free digital file, they are ready for you to download. So this year I actually start to play with some digital file. I really enjoy to do it, and just make sure you check it out. And every month they are going to have a free download, and now I am up to the July already. And then because I'm not into the scrapbooking stuff, I don't have a lot of pictures, but I like to do some scrapbooking, so that's why I use my rubber stamp to build out with some calendar pages that I think if you like it, you can just give a try. And I found out those kind of photo album to storage them, and you can see I actually marked down. I use it, and like this one, the background is I use stencil, and then you guys probably already saw this video, the one the spinning chameleon. So make sure you check it out. If you have a digital die cut machine, just make sure you you download all the free monthly link, and I will slowly upload some of digital image. So that's one thing. And then one more thing is that I am working on some other project. So stay tuned. I'm going to share with you guys step by step. Okay. So just remember, if you are in the Orlando area, I'd love to see you guys in Orlando. And I think it's June. When is the show? Is it June 25th and the 26th. So it's the Stampfest in the Orlando, and I'm really looking forward to see you guys. And we are also participate on the Friday make and take, and can't wait to see you guys. It has been too long. I think we haven't done the Stampfest show for probably probably 3 years already, and looking forward to see you guys. Okay, so leave me a comment, let me know you're coming. And this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.